welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video I'll be showing you a very quick transformation of Asian paint box into a cute storage box, and that storage box, maybe you can use it for a lot of things. Maybe you can store your accessories, or maybe you can use it for your kitchen decor, or you can use it for any other storage aspect. But it is going to be a very short video and you'll get to see a very quick transformation of that, and it's very easy to make. Any one of you out there can do it. So just go and watch it, and I really hope you enjoy watching it. And I have not put up a proper setup like I usually do for my videos, but I really hope you don't mind about that. So that is it. We have come to the end of this video, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this transformation. And if you happen to recreate it, then please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be somewhere here, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. अरे एक काम की बात तो बोलना ही भूल गई. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this video useful, and also do hit the bell notification ताकि next time जब भी मेरा कोई video channel पे है, you get notified about that. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Bye.